We drove to Toronto and we decided to come canoeing. So that's what we're doing.
Kayaking.
Oh yeah, kayaking. Okay, little Jackie. I'm kind of scared of kayaking sometimes. So we have the canoe rental for 2 hours. It's a really beautiful day out in Toronto. Decided to play a game because we have another hour and a bit still left on the kayak. So we're gonna play a little game to see who knows the other best. How old was I when I first got my ears pierced?
You were like 1.
Yeah.
Before 1. I
was 1.
How old was I when I broke my ankle for the first time?
13.
No.
You just told me yesterday you were 13.
I wasn't 13. What grade was I in?
5.
Yeah, so grade 5 you're not 13.
How old are you in grade 5?
I think you're like 11?
Okay, so I still got it right. Because I said grade 5.
Yeah, you got half of it.
What's my favorite food?
You have so many favorite foods.
But what's my favorite?
Anything healthy is your favorite food? She loves Romanian food. You
No.
love pizza, fish tacos.
What's my favorite food?
I can't say it because there's so many.
Well, you have to choose one.
Fish tacos.
Yep. Okay, your
Well,
turn.
I could go on forever. It's pasta, Romanian, Italian, Mexican. She loves everything. Anything you put in front of this girl, she'll eat it, and she'll eat it 10 times over. How long did I play hockey for?
Did you ever tell me this before?
I probably did, yeah.
You played hockey for 9 years.
You're close. It was 11. But yeah.
11?
You're pretty close though.
Oh, I swear it was 9. Okay. What's my favorite day of the year?
Halloween.
Nope.
Well, fall is your favorite day of the year. But
Nope.
if we're being direct on what actually is your favorite day of the year, it's your birthday.
Yeah.
That's
My
okay.
birthday is my favorite day of the year. I actually love Halloween too. But I love like the whole Halloween month, not just the day.
Yeah, fall.
Like I love fall, so my birthday is my favorite day of the year.
My first dog.
Bailey,
Yeah, okay, that's a good one.
how many countries have I been to?
What? Oh my goodness.
I told you this not too long ago.
6?
6 countries?
Yeah.
The answer's 20.
20?
Play on here. So weird. Oh, sorry. We just picked up some burgers from a little little bar restaurant up the street.
It's so cute around here.
Beach Street.
Yeah.
Yeah, super cute. The guy said that like the kayak guy recommended this restaurant for burgers, and then we told the restaurant guy that the kayak guy told us about his restaurant, and then he was like, yeah, we all support each other around here.
So cute.
And he said that he recommends like his restaurant customers to the kayak guys, so it's so cute around here.
Yeah, it's like a nice little beach town. Like, we haven't been to this part of Toronto. Neither one of us actually have. We both have never been to this beach. It's really, really
called,
nice.
what's it called? Bomb?
Balomsey?
No, Bomb. Just Bomb. Bomb Beach.
Cool.
Oh my gosh. Bomb Beach. So let's see if her burgers are good. I'm sure they are. I got a veggie burger with fries and a Caesar salad. And Jacqueline got
barbecue smokehouse burger with fries and a salad.
Yeah, our usuals. So cute over here. We'll show you guys the beach after, but this is where we parked the car, so we're just gonna go to the car and eat. Sucks because like we really miss going and sitting at restaurants, which we can't do right now, but we'll eat in the car. It is what it is. So this is what I got. Veggie burger with lots of sauteed veggies, a Caesar salad, and then this is what Jacqueline got.
Forgot my name.
We just finished eating and we finished all the burgers.
Yeah, all the burgers, all the fries, no leftovers here. We are going to be heading out. We were going to show you guys a beach, but we're tired and we're full, so we're going to be missing out on that. But
it's called Balm Beach, B-A-L-M Beach. And the restaurant that we went to pick up the food was called
Outriggered.
Not Outriggered, just Outrigger, I think.
Outrigger.
I think we're gonna drive by it.
Yeah, we'll show you guys it.
So we'll show you guys it. If you're ever in this like area of Toronto, it's called Outrigger, and it's so good. I swear that was the best burger I've ever had in my life.
That was probably honestly one of the best.
Enjoyed our video of our little kayaking adventure today, and we'll see you guys soon.
Bye guys.